Okay, this is how to properly sand / lubricate your Rubik's Cube. And I've already done most of the edge pieces, so I'm just going to kind of demonstrate on how to do it. You're just going to need sandpaper and silicone spray. And this is a completely black cube. I took all the stickers off, but the corners have stickers on them and they're red. So it's kind of like a 2x2 when you put it together. So here I just have an edge piece, and I'm going to sand down this side and this side. Just enough to get all the bumps out. Just like that. And I'll do this one. And you may want to do this outside like I'm doing it, just because it makes a lot of dust. Okay, so I've done all the edge pieces already, so I'm going to start working on the corners. Just do all the sides you can. Like this side, on this cube, it's hollowed out right there, but on regular Rubik's cubes, it's not. So sand down every side that doesn't have a sticker on it. And I'm doing this fairly quickly just to fit it all into one video. You might want to take more time when you do it. Oops, forgot a side. Here's the last corner. Okay, so I have sanded down all the pieces, and now I'm going to lubricate them. I'm just going to put all the pieces with a face that is going to be touching the core up. Don't put any stickers out. Okay, so I'm going to just take the top off. You can use the little thing if you want, but I'm just going to do one spray across each row. And I'm just going to let it dry for maybe 20 seconds. And you may not want to do this around other people because the fumes can bother people. They don't really bother me, but it bothers some of my friends. That looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to reassemble the cube. Okay, so I've taken the whole thing apart, sanded all the pieces, and lubricated it completely. And it's much better. It makes a funny noise, kinda, but it's a lot smoother. And it's a lot better than it was.